Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Javed Iqbal, Deputy Registrar, Indus University. And today I'm here with you for some new updates regarding the classes and the new MS team which we recently implemented. As you know that previously when the pandemic started, we introduced Zoom as a application for the classes, online classes for the video conferencing. But as you know that there are some technical and management issues with the Zoom. So we are thinking about to change this application or introduce some better environment for the student and teacher. So recently we implemented the MS Team, MS Office 365 for our students and faculty members. So today I'm here to introduce this uh, application, how you can actually join your account and how you can use and how you can join your classes, uh, uh, all of that. So let's go for the. So first of all, you all students need to be uh, log in your CMS account. As you know that CMS account, you all have a CMS account with Indus University. So here we actually already pasted all the information of your accounts. So go in the menu and academics, and the last option is the official email account and digital library and MS Team account. So recently we implemented this in three areas. One is the MS Team and MS Office 365, and Gmail as an official communication tool for the students. You can email us, you can email your teacher and the chairperson and coordination department. Even you can tell them what's the issue you are facing regarding fee or classes or any disciplinary issues, or you need some help from the teacher, you also can email them. And the second is a digital library. Before this, you was not able to use the digital library from your homes, but now you have access to the digital HEC digital library from your homes with your email and password we already provided. And the third one is the MS Team or MS Office. So here's the thing is very important. As a Gmail, you need to be go on Gmail like this. This is Gmail, and you can see this sign in. So you sign in the account like any email which we provided you. In this page, you can see this student's like ID 307-2019 at the rate of lms.indus.edu.pk. So it's a Gmail username, and also there's a password mentioned here. So kindly don't copy this password. I'm just as an exemplary telling you that every person has a different password. So you can use this password for the Gmail, and here I can even log in any account like you have email account. So just actually email account. Before this, you can want to create the MS Team account. You need to be logged in before the your account, like 307-2019 at the rate of lms.indus.edu.pk, and that's a password you will log in. After this, you need to be visit MS Office 365 website. Here is the website msoffice.com, like a www.office.com. You just visit here and sign in. For the sign in, you need your username and the password. So Gmail as an email, like a Gmail 307-2019 at lms.indus.pk. This is an email actually which is used in at a Gmail for your email correspondence. But the same email you can use for your Gmail MS Team account also. So just is like this 307-2019 at lms.indus.edu.pk. And again, I'm going there that you have a password for the MS Team. You have a password of MS Team here. So you can use this password in this account, and you can log in. Okay. Like I am going to copy this password and just for try for you for information. I log in. Next, and copy a password. If you want to keep this account permanently log in your PC, you can press yes, otherwise no. It will not save your password for the PC. And this one is login. Now you have a facility online web portal. Here are Outlook, OneDrive. OneDrive is for the saving your data. You have now you have two storage places here. One is through the Gmail account. You can use the G Drive, and here's MS365 OneDrive. MS Word you can use online MS Word. There's no need of install on your PC. MS Excel, PowerPoint, and it's a team, MS Team. So here is the MS Team account you can use, and even you have a two MS Team way of using. One is a web application, second is a desktop application. For this, before this, using this, if you want to check this scenario, just go on the Google and search download MS Team and download desktop and mobile application. Is download for the desktop and download for mobile. For the mobile, you can download your application through the Google Play within your mobile, the same like this, and you can just download here and install the application on the PC or laptop. And I already have a MS Team, so there's no need of installation. I'm going to launch this application. But if you want to use from here, you can just click on MS Team. And this is actually MS Team. All is. I will come this another scenario like this. Just wait on. Maybe there's a little bit delay in the loading of this page. It's loading MS Team. So MS Team has a two version. One is a web version. There's some limitation in the web version, but other is a desktop or mobile application also. As a Zoom has a web desktop and mobile application both. So just I'm waiting for the login of this application. But uh, after the login of this application, even on web or desktop, you need to be again join your account and go in here, academics and scheduling. So I open already the page of scheduling. Here are differences. You can see there was a Zoom link. You go online before you were using it. Actually limited like to if today is if not as a Monday, then you can it's not visible. If it is before the time or after the time, it's also disappear. But here are the different button we added here for the MS Join team. This is for the MS Team, and this is a Go Online. You just if you click on the Go, every subject has a button. So you need to be visit not on the day of classes, but one day when you got this video, you need to be go on the CMS and just click on the every class. So it will be like this. Show this one launch MS Team. I'm going to share the MS Team. For your, this is MS Team. This is actually a desktop MS Team. It's not a web application. I'm logging with my own account. So if you press this on the browser, as I showed you, open the URL of MS Team. It will be asked to desktop or web application. Choose the desktop application if you already install. Mean first of all you need to be logging your Gmail account. And after that, you can need to be log in your CMS account and just check the passwords from there and just join MS Office and log in your MS Team, MS Office 365 web portal. And again, you need to be visit your CMS again in a schedule area and join, press every subject's join MS Team button. So when you press the button, it will go to the, it will come here on the MS Team and just show you the join. After joining, pressing the join button, you will join the class. Actually, I'm going to press the join. It's a basic swing lab, and the advanced means this is subject is a BS subjects, BS, I think media sciences or some like this. Oh, sorry, this class actually linked with the um, faculty of design, uh, department of design classes. So just to join here, you will join this classes. Like I already have joined many classes, so you can see this, like this class. After joining, you will see this page. Here are grades, assignments, class note, files, and post. So you can check this. If you can view this your class name and this page, this means you are already joined. This is like a web like a WhatsApp group. Once you join, there's no need again to press that button in CMS. But if you forget how to go in the classes, you can press the same button and come here. Otherwise, if you log in your MS Team, you can check every class. Here I joining many classes, so you can check there are a lot of classes which I already joined. So through this application, you will able to use video conferencing. There's no limit of any time limit, means there is no 40 minutes video like in the Zoom. There was a limitation of 40 minutes, but there is no limitation. Here you can post different questions with the teacher. You can submit your assignment. Even the grades can be shown here. If teacher is allowing the grade or result here, they can show, they can message to you. And a lot of other applications also you can add here from your teacher, or administration can give you the access of different applications. I hope it will be very easy for the students to joining the MS Team, and probably very soon your teacher will join the MS Team. We already provided them the accounts and IDs to them, and they will inshallah tell you how to join the MS Team. So kindly join the MS Team as soon as possible and inform your teachers. And they are already in the classes. Like this class, I can show you. Like this is a department email address, is an administrative email address. Like FMS, it's a business administration class. So FMS, like a CS, has a CS department email address, and many administrative accounts are added in this classes. And he's the teacher. And if you can check here, actually at the testing I add myself as a guest or student. So here are the students also. So in this, you can check after the joining of class, how many the class fellows are already joined these classes. So kindly go through in this video and check how to join. If you have any queries or questions, you can post me at a deputy registrar email, like deputy.registrar@indus.edu.pk. Thank you so much.